So we are going out of the city now. Yeah, out for the day. My wife told me let's go to Tagaytay. Okay, no problem. Good, let's go. Just gonna go there, spend a few hours maybe, have a coffee, have something to eat, then go back to Manila later. Always good to be out of the city. From here you just go straight after. Straight, and then you end up by going to Tagaytay. Something like that. It's like 45 minutes wide. Oh yeah, thanks to everyone who watched my Keep It Dirty vlogs. I just put the video out today, the music video. Tomorrow I will edit the vlog and put it through the week, so you already see them. Thank you guys for the support. Take quite a long time to edit the video, you know, especially the music video. When you spend an hour to check everything, then you have to put into folder and then this and that. It's part of editing. But then like a vlog like today, for example, it's much more easy because I'll go through the camera and I just, every time I want to say something, I say it, then I say keep, so I know there's something to keep for the vlog. So the way I edit, I just go through my camera and every time I say keep, I keep it, then the other one I delete, so I end up with all the files that I really want in the vlog, and I put them all to editing software, to Movie Maker, and then when it's converted I just have to edit, trim, that's it. Then maybe I put a little bit of music, so I make a second video with all the music and then cut it and edit together with the talk, and then that's it. I just upload. So it's very easy process compared to a music video when you have to search and what should I put first and this and that and slow motion, time lapse, you know. It's different, but then it's part of the game, you know. How much work you're gonna put to make a video look nice, and sometimes whole vlog with no music, nothing, are actually nice. What is this? Well, let's check it out. Dun, 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 dun. Mitsubishi Lancer. Look at that exhaust. Fuck. I'm not sure what to say about that exhaust. Weisgend, I would love to sit on this, the big one, no? Oh shit. Actually think I have a problem with my front tire. I think I have a slow puncture because it was at 30. I put 35 bars yesterday and today was at 30 or 32. And I didn't ride too much yesterday, so now we're going to Tagaytay tomorrow. I put some pressure before, and then tomorrow I just bring it to the shop. You know, better be safe, but I think there's something wrong with the tire. I'm still going for a trip, long trip, you know. I mean, it's okay. It can always be fixed on the side of the road. Keep an eye on it, that's it. That's one of my mistakes in Keep It Dirty. I did not check my tire, and when you get a new bike, you should always check your tire. Especially if you're going on a flat track race. You know what I mean? Actually, one of my friends at work is he live here in Das Marina. He live here and he go to BGC every day. Like I told him, do you sleep at work sometimes? He's like, no, I just go home every day. So in the morning and in the evening, come to work. He used to have a sniper 135, and now he's got a Raider FI. Yeah, and before he actually used to work in Ortigas Avenue, so he used to make to Ortigas Avenue, so far in Edza. What the fuck is wrong with people? This guy. Maybe it's worse driving in a how do you call this? In a province than actually in Manila itself, no? So here we are in Tagaytay. It took us an hour and 10 minutes to come here from Las Pinas. I don't know where we're going there. We're going left, no? Or down there? Okay, we go there now? We'll find out. I will. Where? The lake now. Okay. We take pictures after. From my Facebook page. I wanna looking for the likes. Joke. I really like Tagaytay actually. Should come here more often. 1 hour away from Manila, just eat something, maybe spend the night here and then go back, no? Good to be out of the city. As always. Ah, fuck. Wait. My exhaust will touch. That's what I hate with the radar. It's too small, too low. Do you want to stop here? So just spent an hour now. We had some bar food at some place. It wasn't very nice. I mean, it's okay, but it's okay, but it's not nice. It's a deep fried food, probably frozen anyway. So I won't make any advert for them. Now we're just gonna go in 3 legs, take some pictures, have a view, and then go slowly back home. The weather is very, very nice. Like you can tell, even Tagaytay is not too hot. It's very nice, cold, not cold, but like.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my